My friends and colleagues in KCB, as you all know, our bank is now one with a very strong presence throughout the East African region. To all the Kenyans, hamjambo. Ndugu zetu wa Tanzania, habari gani. To our colleagues in South Sudan, kefi. To all in Uganda, mulimotia. Friends in Rwanda, mwirire. And all to Burundians, salut. I'm immensely proud of the rich regional diversity that is unique to the KCB family and a heritage that very few organizations share with us in this particular moment. But of course, our vision is to become not just a regional institution, but truly Pan-African bank that delivers global best practice in a local context. And today we mark yet another milestone in our transformation journey. In the last 119 years since we began our business in Zanzibar as a branch of National Bank of India, KCB has undergone several corporate repositionings. We have done so in reaction to changing market dynamics and in order to remain relevant to our target audiences. And these undertakings have generally been successful, catalytic, transformative, and refreshing in my view. Our unmistakable lion icon, which was first created in the 1970s and symbolizes the strength and pride of our organization. The bank has been in the forefront of driving economic development and transformation in Eastern Africa, and I look back with great pride when I see the infrastructure which has been done across the region, the roads, the new airports, the homes, real estate, and general economic prosperity enjoyed in our countries attributable to KCB. This success is of course attributable to all the hardworking staff and visionary leaders who came before us. Over the years, the bank has embraced innovation and technology, advancement to enhance financial inclusion agenda, to drive our business growth in the region. The latest development has been changed by the way the business, our communities, and changed the traditional model of banking. The entry of mobile banking, mobile technology, has forced the way to rethink the service delivery for our channels, our customers, and we are looking for different options to form the banking that they find most preferred. The customer today is defining how, in essence, we run our business. They want banking that is simpler, accessible, innovative, and friendly. They want to access credit with minimal delays and have an opportunity to invest in their dreams and aspirations. Today, we roll out our new KCB purpose and values. You may ask why. And while I agree that we've had before many values we have served as well, today our role is to build on that platform and that we can be able to build a new foundation, a new transformation into the next century of our business, to build something that's great, a stronger brand, to be able to reinvent ourselves over time. Well, if you stop and think about it really, every single person needs a purpose in life, and every single business needs a purpose too. We can all relate to the great men and women who have had their purpose, fulfilled them in their lives, and they have been able to build great brands and great purpose in their lives. Barack Obama defines his purpose in a phrase I like very much, that change will not come if we wait for someone else to come. It will be for us in our time who can create the change. We are the ones that we've been waiting for, and we are the change that we seek today. So our very own Lupita Nyong'o, who said, dreams are valid. And many global brands define their purpose in the unique ways. Google, for instance, promotes access to information. Land Rover today is not about selling 4x4s, but selling adventure. Looking at Blue Band close at home is not about how to make margarine for you, but helping our children to grow. So these brands have continued to have continued growth, successfully resulting in profitability for our customers and loyalty. So knowing our collective purpose and living it every day will make us drive our long-term agenda to lift our dignity for ourselves, for our people, economically, financially, at all levels. And therefore, the purpose defines why we exist beyond making profits. That purpose will also help us define the appropriate values to live and embrace, and therefore simplify the way in which we can be remembered in our life. The new purpose and values will be shared in the coming weeks, and each member of our staff have the great opportunity to be able to be trained, internalized, and make sure they can live with these values. The onus is up to you to make it happen. Thank you, and looking forward to joining this great journey. Asante sana.